If you've never heard of a Dutch Baby Pancake, I like to describe it as a hybrid pancake crepe creation. It's got a heavy egg content, but you whip the batter in a blender, which gives the eggs a lot of lift. And that creates a very spongy texture when you bake it in the oven to give you that crepe flavor with a pancake texture. In my early 20s, I waited tables for a breakfast restaurant that was locally pretty famous, and this Dutch Baby Pancake was one of their signature dishes. This is not the recipe from the restaurant. However, I'm going to share with you how we used to serve it to the customers. Don't worry, I'm not sharing any family restaurant secrets here. This is a Dutch Baby Pancake recipe that I found online. It tastes just like the Dutch Baby Pancakes that we used to serve. When you pull it out of the oven, it's huge and puffs up, climbing up the sides of the iron skillet, but it's short-lived. The pancake sinks pretty quickly once it comes out of the oven. Back when I was working at that restaurant, it was imperative that we got these Dutch Baby Pancakes out to the table before they sank. So it was an all hands on deck group effort. When these came up on the line, somebody was grabbing them and running them out to the dining room. I start by preheating the oven and my 10-inch iron skillet, cast iron skillet. I'm starting with 3 eggs. I like to put the eggs in the blender first. Next, I'm adding 1/2 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, teaspoon of vanilla, a few scrubs of fresh nutmeg. Now that I have the batter ready, I'm adding a pat of butter to the preheated iron skillet in the oven. I keep an eye on it at this point because I want it to melt but not burn. Trying to get some of that butter up the edges a little bit. This will take anywhere between 12 and 15 minutes. Once someone would order a Dutch Baby in the restaurant, we would bring them out a little bowl that had a couple of scoops of butter, softened butter, well, see, this is what I get for trying to be fancy. Half a lemon and some powdered sugar. We'd bring it out to the table just like this. And customers would pop the seeds out, squeeze the lemon into the powdered sugar, making sure I have all the seeds out of there. And they would mix that softened butter into the lemon powdered sugar mixture to make a butter paste, a lemon butter paste. If you don't have lemons on hand or you don't really like lemons this way, you can always just spread some butter on this Dutch Baby Pancake and sprinkle the top with some powdered sugar or add some fresh fruit. If you try this recipe, I'd love to hear about it. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. I look forward to seeing you again soon.